Morning everyone, John from Popeyes Postcards. We're going to do our daily what sold video. These are the postcards that sold on eBay on January, how about February? Let's try February 7th. As you can see on the screen, good day. And for me, a good day is anything averaging over 200 bucks. Great day would be over 300. I'm still happy that these little pieces of paper are actually selling, so I'll take anything. We had 19 orders for $226. Go ahead and get started. This is a car dealer advertising 1955 Pontiac Star Chief Custom. Nice old car. I've said it before that if there was dealer information, an exact dealer location on the back, this would probably add at least $10 or more to that card. Sold for $9.99. Next, Block Island Hygienia Hotel by the New Harbor, circa 1912 view. I would go ahead and put Block Island, Rhode Island on your BOLO list. I've always had really good luck with Block Island. Got these, probably 6+ years ago. I bought out a collection of 2,000 or 3,000 Rhode Island cards, and I probably still have 1,500 unlisted. But Block Island is definitely one you need to keep an eye out for. $10.99. This is Coots, Indiana, Pennsylvania Railroad Depot Station, train arriving. Took a best offer of $20 on this card. Oh, and that's with the corner missing, too. I didn't notice that, but the corner's missing. Pretty good sell for a damaged card. $20. Next, General Steam Navigation Company, Greek Line SS Olympia steamship. Looks like I got a couple different versions of this. Sold on a best offer of $16. Next, Marion, Alabama, Marion Military Institute. There's that. And that sold for $7 on a best offer. Next, Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan, 1950s Holiday Inn, old car. I probably should have said 1950s car. I don't know why I said old car. And that sold for $6.99. Looks like I have a couple copies. Next, we have Elk Rapids, Michigan, The Bend in the Road, 1908. I don't know what's so interesting about the bend in the road, but $15.99 for that card. This is a very generic scenic greetings from Hanging Rock, West Virginia. This area may or may not look like that. I doubt it looks like that. $8.49. Find these all the time in the quarter boxes. This is Wildwood, New Jersey, Ed Zabara. Something like that. Restaurant Night View. And that sold for $6.99. Had that up for many, many years. U.S. Navy ship USS Maine, 1906, in remembrance of original Maine. So they did, after the first Maine was blown up, 1898? They had commissioned a second Maine. So I'm thinking this might be the second one. And it sold for $6.50. Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania, Laurel Line Station, Railroad Depot. There's that. $35.99 for that card. I don't know where I got that card. Let's take a look real quick. Probably with the dealer who had passed away. Yeah, so I paid 60 cents for this card. Got $35.99. Next, Wilmore, Kentucky, Asbury College, Wesley Fletcher Morrison Hall. There's that. Sold for $8.99. Weeki Wachee, Florida, Mermaids, Alice in Wonderland, March Hare. Paid about 80 cents for this at the most recent York Postcard show. Got $9.99 out of it. Next, Carbondale, Illinois, Southern Illinois University Home Economics Building. 1960s, probably. Yeah, I'd say 1960s. $4 on the best offer. This is Alabama State 45th Governor George Wallace. Yeah, $7.99. Dennisville, New Jersey, training. Look at this, training arriving. How about train arriving, railroad station? Got this from the dealer that died. Looks like about I might have paid $1.50 for this card. I can't tell if that's a 12 or a 2 or a 1. Anyway, I didn't pay much for this card and got $22.99 for a training arriving. This is Edmond, Oklahoma State Central Normal School, circa 1910s. There's that. Usually training schools, is this? Oh, it doesn't say training school. Never mind. I have training stuck in my mind. If you see like a training school, there are times that could be like a juvenile detention center or a reform school. $10.99 for that card. This is St. Ignace, Michigan, Wishing Well Motel. Nice quaint motel. I've had this for, again, probably 7 or 8 years or longer with that background. $6.99. And the last card that sold on eBay. This is Waikiki Royal Hawaiian Hotel, real photo. There's that. And that sold for $6.99. I had no sales on HIP. I sold, I think, 8 items on the other store, which I'll review in the future for the airplane card. So I've made some sales on that. Been working on getting that stuff listed, and I'll get a video out on all that stuff sometime here in the near future. Got a lot on my plate. I know I have a lot to finish up with the auctions and with the finishing up the beginner's guide. It will get done. Thank you all for watching.